We are back and I can't speak. This time we're trying Itto makeup, Arataki Itto from Genshin Impact for the first time. Today we're doing the voiceover completely freely without any script. First is foundation to erase all life out of your face. Then you take concealer to erase the rest of liveliness. It's also great for hiding my beard or sleepless nights. My cheeks are often more red than for their own good, so I'm also hitting them with a ton of concealer. Next step is contouring in the face. Woohoo, what a surprise! I mean, where else should you conceal, right? I also contour my jawline to erase all the schwabble without plastic surgery, but make sure to blend it really good or you end up with a very strange beard. Under the cheekbones, contouring also is needed to make my face a bit smaller. Then I contour the living shit out of my nose because it's too long for most characters I cosplay. Then we're already at highlighting / setting. I always use baby powder for that in the V area to make my face look baby. No, just kidding. It's just the product that burns the least in my sensitive eyes. The rest of the face can be set with a normal skin color powder, and with that step I also smudge and blend all the pumper together. Here comes the end boss already, eyeliner. I've got hooded eyes and before Genshin never used eyeliner, so this is really a challenge. I watched a ton of tutorials for this and yeah, judge for yourself if I slayed the end boss eyeliner. I try my best, as you can see, always checking if the sides are symmetrical. Next is slamming some darker eyeliner lazily into your crease to make them look deeper than they actually are. I also like to connect the inner part to my nose contour, but that's absolutely optional. Then you blend all this together, so no one sees how lazy you applied that chisel. Put some eyeshadow on the under eye too. On the eyelid. And on the inner corner. For that I always like to use shimmery ones because I just like shimmery stuff, okay? And here we are already on the red lines and eyeshadow Itto has. Here I was confused where, how and what. I just drew on some almost invisible guidelines that I possibly can remove if needed. Then I noticed how much red he actually has under his eyes and made it more. I just dived all in until I was satisfied. I thickened the lines I already drew and prayed to the gods of symmetry. Also, always make sure to remove the fallout, you don't want red freckles for Itto. And we're almost at the end, eyebrows. Always the most difficult, cause my brows are no brows, they seem to be not even related. They're more like Squidward and Patrick. You can see my camera being a bish without any focus, and yeah. Here we are at it again, filling the brows with just normal brown eyeshadow. Just with a thin brush go over and over until they're at least on the same continent. Last step is adding some darker shade into the red and we're done. This is the finished product. Horns are in and I just noticed that they are sitting differently. I need to set this somewhere else. But overall, I'm satisfied, I would say. Why does this horn look in mirror? I swear it was symmetrical in the mirror. I must say that I feel pretty comfortable in the cosplay. So I can speak properly because of the teeth. And that one, yeah, I got shitloads of Haftcreme in my mouth. In my mouth? Mouth. Well, Denglish hits again. Yeah, it didn't want to hold, so it's really formed on my teeth, but I don't know why it doesn't want. To be honest, it is what it is. So yeah, I hope you liked that video. If so, leave a thumb up, comment what you liked best. Share with your friends and enjoy yourself. Just enjoy yourself.